Welcome back to Brandon Seigels. I'm going to build 2 inches onto this frame right here. So I put the tape on here where I'm going to cut it. And then I'm going to add these 2 little pieces of pipe to it right here. And I don't have a cameraman no more, so bear with me. I got to hit pause a couple times. Let me get it started. Now I'm going to put this right here to make it nice and flush and straight. So we'll clamp this on here. Two clamps on this one. That should be straight. We'll just touch it up here. Thank you for watching. Remember to check out my other short videos. Thank you.